Napoleon's patented stainless steel wave cooking grids offer exceptional durability and are nearly maintenance-free. Your stainless steel grids will only get better with time. Due to high cooking temperatures, the grids will develop a permanent patina, which will serve as a great non-stick surface. Here is how to clean and maintain your Napoleon Wave stainless steel cooking grids. The stainless steel grids and warming rack are best cleaned with a stainless steel brush during the preheating period. Steel wool can be used for stubborn stains. Please note that your stainless steel wave cooking grids will discolor permanently from regular usage due to the high temperature of the cooking surface. It is recommended that you season your grill with high-fat cooking oil occasionally to ensure an optimum grilling experience. Enjoy and happy grilling!